Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Repair6. Today we try to fix this Commodore 64. I bought it on eBay a couple of weeks ago, and yeah, the first thing I observed is that we have a defect keyboard. Here the key number 2 is not working, so you see it's completely loose. And yeah, so the plunger is broken. I could see when I use my glasses, so I could see that somebody has also tried to do a repair here for this key, and he was using a glue, which is already visible here. Yeah, you see the remaining part of the glue. It's also visible here. It's a plunger. Yeah, I'm not sure that this was a valid try here to repair this keyboard. So I guess we have to remove here this black piece of plastic and also of course the glue. I'm not sure how we can do it. I think it's a little bit more difficult than usual, because the glue is also sticking on the plastic part of the key. So I guess we have two options. One is to use a screw, drill it in and try to push it back or throw it back. So and maybe the black part comes out, but yeah, because we have this glue here, it will probably be difficult. And the second option is that we try to drill it out. And so with some multi-tool or something. Yeah, I guess I will start using a screw. And when this not works, I will use the second option to drill it out. So now we can see I've tried to use a screw here, and I drilled it into the black plastic. I guess for the moment it's not deep enough, so yeah, I have to screw down a little bit more. So for this C version of C64, I've ordered at eBay some plungers, and I know we have here several options. There's a 5mm plunger and one with 3.5mm. I guess that's the distance here from this point here to this point. It's 3.5mm. So, and I have to be careful to do not screw down the screw too much. So there's a risk that I destroy or damage the white plastic of the key. So then the key is maybe completely broken, and then the plunger cannot hold on it. So I try to screw a little bit more down, and then I try to pull it, and we see if it comes out or not. So I'm back from my workbench, and you can see it's working. So the plastic came out. When I was drilling it a little bit down, I hit a crack, and it was the glue which was cracking when I screwed it down. So but then it came out in one piece, so very nice. I know we'll try to open the C64 and open the keyboard and replace the puncher. So I'm opening the case. Oh yeah. It seems to be it was not open for maybe 30 or 35 years. Okay. So let's go ahead and remove the screws for the keyboard. So I'm removing the backplate very carefully. And let's see what is behind. Oh yeah. So here we are. This one. Yeah, you can see there's still a lot of glue. Okay, but it's not inside the keyboard. So it was a little amount of glue which was applied here on this punch. It's okay. So let's compare to the new one. Okay. I think they are very identical. So I use the new one. Perfect. Yeah, let's close it and let's try it. We are able to mount the key too. So I have observed that the spring is not the original one. Yeah. Anyway, it will be good enough here to do a test and to see if our repair is successful or not. So we have escape 1, 2. Let's try to mount it. Okay, sounds fine. Okay, perfect feeling. Number 1, where is number 1? Number 1 is missing. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Here we have number 1. So it's a little bit sticky and dirty, so I want to clean it. So the keys are also very much yellowed, but I will try to give some UV light to the keycaps, and let's see, maybe they are becoming a bleaching or something. Okay, I guess it's okay for the moment. Click. Spring. Okay, I guess it will work. Let's see. So here we are again. The keyboard is reassembled. So feels fine. Okay, let's see what happens when we supply the power. Video. Power supply and switch on. So we have a picture. So let's see. Great. Two racks also again fine. Okay, we have everything. Let's also check the shift. Okay, this one is also fine. Cursor down, cursor up, cursor right, cursor left. Caps lock. Okay. One stop, nothing. Okay. So we did it. Everything worked. Thank you for watching this episode. Have a nice day. Bye.